Hello, this is Aaron of Outlier Ventures, the organizers of Diffusion, the multi-protocol hackathon and DevCon in Berlin, the 19th and 20th of October this month. And with me is Trent McConaghy of Ocean Protocol. So Trent, tell me what's new at Ocean Protocol?
Hi, thank you very much for having me here and having Team Ocean at the hackathon. Yeah, there's a lot going on with Ocean. So overall, the big news is that we have released our 1.0, which includes the launching of our mainnet in July of this year. And so with that, people can buy and sell data. They can build their own data marketplaces or data commons on top. And all in a way where the data marketplaces or data commons do not have custody of the data. So at the heart of it, it's basically got a permissioning framework. So from that, there's quite a few things that people can build. There's the front end things, things like buying and selling of data, data commons, photo libraries, this sort of thing. There's a middleware stuff, network integrations, and there's wildcard type things too. So that's kind of one thing. I can drill into this a bit later. The other sort of big development on the community side is we have launched the Data Economy Challenge, where people can compete to build on top of Ocean for these three different tracks of basically front ends, back end network integrations, and wildcards.
Cool. And so yeah, Ocean Protocol will be at Diffusion, of course. And which components would be the most logical for people to start building with at Diffusion?
Right. So the main net is live, of course, so people can integrate to that. We have technology on top in the form of drivers, our Squid JS, Squid Python drivers, etc. And then on top of that, we have things like React JS tutorials that people can get going with. And this is all linked via our website, docs.oceanprotocol.com. So that's basically how people can get going. And then towards what they could build, good guidance is kind of what I hinted before. These three layers, front ends with data commons, data marketplaces, maybe things towards provenance and other benefits that you get when you go decentralized. Integrations into Web3 networks, things like for data, Chainlink, for AI, Fetch.ai, and so on. And finally, wildcards, things like leveraging token wallets for data custody, or even going on top of that, if you have an NFT token wrap data, then maybe on top of that, you make it refungible using a bonding curve. So a lot of possible cool things that can get built.
That's really exciting stuff. And when developers come to Diffusion, how will your team help them and support them?
Yeah, so we're going to have several team members on site, several developers who work with the code daily. In addition to that, a couple of our developers, Sebastian and Marcus, they're going to be running a workshop related to marketplaces and buying and selling data on Ocean. So that's a way to get your hands dirty, as well as myself will be giving a talk on helping to inspire developers on what they can build.
Very cool. And are there any prizes or bounties that people can win with regard when they're building on Ocean?
Yeah, so this goes back to the Data Economy Challenge. And so if you go to the oceanprotocol.com website, you'll find a link to challenge and it'll tell about some of the prizes there. So we're giving away actually quite a good chunk of the Ocean tokens overall supply for people for each of these tracks for cool things that they can build on the marketplaces, etc., on the network integrations, and on wildcards such as data custody.
Great. All right. Yeah. So looking forward to meeting you and the other members of the Ocean team and at Diffusion. And thanks very much for today.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's going to be a fun time and look forward to catching up with you.